Servicing your vehicle at a local mechanic shop doesn't necessarily save you money. When you bring your vehicle to Vatland Honda's brand new 65,000 square foot energy efficient facility, you'll find comparable pricing, plus an internet cafe with free Wi-Fi, a video game arcade center to keep the kids entertained while you wait, a free covered valet drop-off service. And at a certified dealer, you get reliable service performed by highly trained technicians you can trust. Call, click, or come in for more information on our price match guarantee. Vatland Honda is located at 700 US Highway 1 in Vero Beach, Florida.